In the metals market, copper on the highs up almost 1%, up about 90 basis points to be exact, so 0.9% on the highs, reaching a technical target on its way up there. The down move that we've seen recently in copper began on September 16th, and the opening price of that particular day was about about 2.69, and we got to 2.69 today on the high side, which is that technical target. The opening price of a down move like we've seen generally tends to be a technical stopping point when we get back up into that same range that took us down. We've now up 5 of the last 7 sessions, a very strong October. October has been the strongest month for copper since February of this year. We're now up 2 months in a row, 3 weeks in a row on the base metal. A lot of it having to do with trade optimism that's developed over, say, the last month and a half. But one of the things that actually put a little bit of a tailwind behind copper, despite one of the mining strikes in Chile being over, not necessarily over, but the union asked their members to go back to work while they still negotiate. So that particular part of supply won't be taken out. But Glencore, the mining giant who released earnings this week, cut their forward guidance in terms of the output for copper by 500 tons. They were expecting to produce 1.45 million tons next year. They cut that to next quarter. They cut that to 1.4 million tons. So that's a decent cut in terms of output. They're trying to get ahead of some of the unrest near some of their mines by actually shutting down a couple of the mines in central to southern Africa, taking that production off the market and putting a little bit of tailwind. We have a little bit of strength in the dollar, but that didn't bother copper at all, except maybe on the pullback that we saw late in the day as the dollar continued to strengthen. Copper on the highs up 90 basis points, ending the day up less than 0.5%.